Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have another lesson today. So we have 5.5 multiplying one digit by multiples of 10, which is really similar to what we did yesterday, but we're just going to have some extra practice with it. So I have an Encore Dance Academy offers four dance classes. If 50 students sign up for each class, how many students sign up for the class? So what we're going to do first is step one, model four groups of 50. So if you look here, and I think I can draw, I can. I have four groups of 50. If this is a 10, so I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And I have four groups of those. And that's how we do the model there. I apologize that it is kind of sloppy. Hopefully the next slide looks a little bit better. Let's see. It does. I was right. Encore Dance Academy offers four dance classes. If 50 students sign up for each class, how many students sign up for a dance class? So it says step two, combine the tens and regroup any leftovers needed. So what it's saying is they want you to take these tens and figure out how to put them into 100. So how many tens do you need in order to get to 100? And you're going to draw a box around them. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that equals 100, like right here. And then I have another set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is also equal to 100. So when I do this, I know 4 times 50 is going to equal, it's going to equal 200s. So that was just a real quick overview on how to do these types of problems. But of course, I am going to be having you do these problems with me on the next couple of slides. So now, this is just kind of a different way to show it instead of having to draw it out every single time, which can get kind of, it takes a really long time to draw and nobody's got time for that. So what I like to do is I go 9 times 0 because just like with multiplication, we're going to start with our bottom factor and we're going to start with the one that it's directly above and we're going to multiply those together. So 9 times 0 equals 0. And then I'm going to look, so since I did 9 times 0, I can't leave that 8 all by itself. So I'm going to do 9 times 8. Some of us don't know what 9 times 8 is, but if you draw it out, you would get 72. Okay? So now we're going to practice on this next one. We're going to do 7 times 0. That equals what? If you said 0, you are correct. And then you're going to do 7 times 7. What is 7 times 7? Take some time and draw that out and get the answer. If you said 7 times 7 was 49, you are correct. So that means that our final answer is 490. So I want you to go ahead and do 40 times 6 by yourself. If you like the drawing it out version like I did before, you're more than welcome to try that. That's just a lot of work. I would recommend that you try going 6 times 0 and then 6 times 4 in order to get your answer. Okay, so by this point, you all should have an answer. And if you said 240, you would be correct because 6 times 0 is, 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, now I would like you to do 80 times 3. What is 80 times 3? So you're going to take 0 times 3. That equals 3. 8 times 3, and that equals, whoa. See? You guys should have told me I made a mistake. I'm kidding. You're not here, so you can't tell me that I made a mistake. But 0 times 3 is 0. And then when we do 8 times 3, we get 24. Okay, the next one I would like you to do 90 times 8. You're going to take 8 times 0. That equals 0. And then find 9 times 8. What is 90 times 8? If you said 720, you would be correct. And then we're going to do this last one. I want you to do it all by yourself. 80 times 8. What is 80 times 8? So you're going to take 8 times 0, and you get 0. And I taught you all this one. 8 times 8, I ate and I ate, and I got sick on the floor, or 64. So you should have had the answer 640. Okay, fantastic job, ladies and gentlemen. This is your lesson for today. Go ahead and complete your independent work for your independent work for this lesson, and then be prepared for your review tomorrow and a test. So, fantastic job.